subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. Keep Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Marumo Kala 0. I'm joined by the chairman of Wakuka Extension Branch. He's the hustler. He's the hustler.
Sinamuvale watalanga qina kutomdala Mexico bakushanga makhisa amanye strong
International.
Yes, awinja
Akusamakhala
awinja
Amalatina
thanks guys man for the good work. Yeah,
Sure, hustler.
Squish
Squeeze my page.
angazi ngithini mfana
38. Yeah, 38.
And welcome back Cassius Mailula. Yabona manje kusazosetshenzwa manje kusazosetshenzwa basazokhala and igame today Thibo i-Sundowns i-approach in a good way.
Yes.
Yeah, but the game Chiefs was not happy ngayo.
Bokhala ngani.
I-coach isabili Chiefs.
Ne.
Yeah, ube too much respect. But since you can't suffer like I Chiefs.
Oh, yes, Pragi.
Yeah, I Chiefs. Ube too lenient against you.
And the Wamela Shai score.
Yes. And
Wamela
Wamela Shai score and Saturday Sunday.
Sure.
Lucas Muripe.
Sure.
Golden Arrows so that you not.
Sure.
Le MTN le yethu. You know the MTN so busy yala so well.
Yes,
bese bakhuluma kakhulu. Arin. I'm still Arin. Yeah, on Sunday lento lena eyethu siya eKingswell ithi soqedelela mara ngithi squish what a signing quality into is massive lezi
akabani nabamphakazi
into is massive asikakhuluma last but not least Sunday kabuyela masana wana Lucas Muripe. Let's come in numbers. Let's love our team. Second star. I promise Sunday so be scorner. Siyasinda. Mofana lenti yasinda. Sunday, come